In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Word document to Google Drive step by step. This guide will make your document management more efficient, allowing you to easily access and share your Word files from anywhere. Let's start with the basics. First, you need to locate your Word document. Perhaps it's saved on your local computer or an external storage device. Wherever it is, make sure you have it handy. Now open your web browser and log into your Google account. If you're not already logged in, head over to google.com and click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your email and password, and you should be good to go. Next, navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into the address bar of your browser and hitting Enter. Alternatively, you can access Google Drive from the Google Apps menu, which is represented by a 3x3 grid icon typically found at the top right corner of Google-based pages. Once you're in Google Drive, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left side, you'll see options to view your files and folders, including sections like My Drive, Shared with Me, and Recent. Now, you're ready to upload your Word document. Look for the New button, which is usually located in the upper left corner. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. Choose File Upload, and this will open a file picker window. Navigate to the location of your Word document on your computer and select it. Double-click the file or click Open to start the upload process. As your document uploads, you'll see a progress bar appear in the lower right corner of the screen, ensuring you're updated about the progress. Once the upload is complete, the file will appear in your Google Drive. Congratulations, you've successfully uploaded your Word document. To access or share your uploaded document, simply find it in your Drive, right-click on it, and you'll see options to open, share, or even move the file to a different folder. For sharing, select the Share option, and you can enter email addresses of people you want to share it with.